Enemies ahead! Enemies ahead!
Nigga, what?
Where?
I got supplies.
He's marking the airdrop.
Let's go!
Hell no, you're trying to go for the drop, nigga? You're tripping.
No, he's just moving.
Oh, okay.
I got supplies. I got supplies. I got supplies.
Enemies on us.
Rolling up.
It's GKS, I'm assuming. Careful, careful. Did they stop?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably GKS. They're in a vehicle, I'm assuming it's GKS. Oh, third party. Unless that's GKS. If that's not GKS, then this is an F. It might be just, they might just be split up.
Oh, I'm out of 5.5. Fuck. I shouldn't have tried to blow up their car.
Can somebody tag him? Oh, fuck me.
That's just
Never
G.
mind. I just got tapped.
We're in a bad spot.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Smoke it, smoke
Tapped
it.
hard. Alright, I think I'm safe. But I ain't got much life left. He was southwest.
Oh shit, you're outside.
Yeah, outside, bro. Just next to the wall.
Careful.
Back, I got it.
Let's just like wait it
Enemies
out,
ahead.
kind of. Try not to engage. Because we're surrounded by a bunch of squads.
Yeah, we are. God, I can't see fucking shit.
GKS Medi's the one with a car. So I think that is him over there.
Enemies ahead!
Alright, just killed one. Just got the sniper to the southwest.
That's probably them. Oh no, that's FP. I'm lagging so hard.
Enemies ahead!
They're in that building there.
Enemies ahead!
Right there in the corner is where I knocked him.
Oh, I see him. Got him.
Careful, careful.
I headshot him.
Yeah, that
He
dude you
headshot
knocked.
me.
Aye.
I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug. And I'll suck your fucking ass. Bend over, whore. I'm gonna smack that shit. That guy in the corner must have been picked up.
He's peeking me
There's
right
one.
now. Oh, he hit me. Yeah, it's Schmitty.
Enemies
In the
ahead!
corner there.
I don't have any scopes.
Yeah, I got eyes on that corner you just marked. He's not popping out any of the windows I can see.
There's a downed guy there. That's
Inside the house.
in the corner right
Enemies ahead!
Roger.
there. Zone's about to pop.
Nice.
Oh, we're good.
We got zone.
Yeah, man, we're good. Oh, I got people up on the hill. Fuck.
More.
Move, you fuck. About...
Stay alert!
Ah, fuck
Enemies
me. Wrong one,
ahead.
sorry.
Enemies ahead!
Not there.
Enemies ahead!
There, they're just playing with the edge. So the crest of the hill is direct south.
Alright, people up on the hill, remember.
Yeah.
Where were the people up on the hill that you seen?
Enemies ahead!
Out there, just playing along. the
Okay,
crest of the
right
hill.
about those guys. Chicken or Vagabond.
I think that because the
And there's
zone's
people
just
still in the house on the hill. GKS, hill 120 southeast.
I don't know if that's in zone. Hang on.
Oh, see
Yeah,
one.
the edge of it's in zone.
Stand by. Hit two. Oh, come here, you fucking fuck. Oh, one more and you're gone, you piece of shit. Stop dancing.
I don't see.
Oh. You fucking fucker. Oh. He is knocked hard.
Enemies ahead!
There, just the other side of the hill.
Yo, was there a
Uh,
compound in zone?
Yeah, there's a compound out that way which is just on the edge of
Enemies
zone.
Over
ahead.
there, the edge of it is in zone.
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna have to get them when they come out.
yeah.
Careful though with the peeking. They're definitely gonna be on guard with you guys. So if you guys peek, they're gonna try to shoot you guys down. Just so that it gives them that opportunity to push up.
They're shooting.
Yeah, one of them just took out somebody else. I would say it's now a group over your way. Oh, fuck me. That was a good snipe. Holy shit, I'm down. Moving down to the bottom floors. Sweet.
I know where he's at. He's in the left
know
window.
where
You
he's
guys
at.
need some smoke? I'm throwing a
Nah,
decoy
good.
smoke at the little house.
Roger.
I know that guy's got no helmet. I tagged him up as he got out of the car.
Oh, I got a critical on him. I got a critical on that dude. I'm safe.
Where are you?
Come get me. Yeah. Try not to engage right now. Heal up. Boost.
They're pushing out.
I have no oh, he got that guy. I have no helmet.
No, neither. I got smoked.
Okay, we gotta play careful. We can't peek anymore, so we gotta wait for them to push us next zone. It's coming right now. Yep, they're coming out, they're coming out, they're coming out.
Knocked one.
Pushing up to you guys.
He's lit up.
Is he in the house?
In mansion, yeah. In mansion, one knocked outside.
I'm covering it.
Oh
GG.
yeah.
GG, yo,
Fucking
GG. That was good. We played it really good.
Yeah, man, that was smart.
See, that's how it's gonna be in like a tournament and probably crew challenge. There's gonna be a lot of squads around.